Hi, I'm Bruce. Today we're going to run through a quick video on assembling the transporter wheels for the Rolux reel mowers. This does fit on the S, the X and the Z series mowers. Firstly, we're going to want to put in the stub axles. So all you need to do is put the stub axle through the frame, and then there's a 17mm nut that's going to connect on the other side. To get this fastened, you're going to need a 17mm wrench or a ratchet, and on the other side you can either use an 18mm wrench or you can use any other tool that will hold it in place. So we can hold it up there and just tighten that on. Once we have the stub axle on, we can start with putting the spacer bush in. We're then going to put the wheel on with the flatter side on the outside. Third, we're going to put on the washer, and then we're going to need to put on the circlip. The easiest way to put on the circlip is with some circlip tools. Otherwise, I'll show you how we can get it on with some pliers or a screwdriver. Now we're going to want to put the circlip in. I'm going to do it with a flat screwdriver. And essentially what you want to do is just hold the one edge in place. You may need to hold the frame with your legs and just pull it across and get it into place. Once you can feel it's over the corner, just work it out and you'll get it over the edge, and just get it until it clips in place. We are then going to do the same on the other side. So we can use the stub axle. This time I'm going to use the 18mm wrench, 17mm ratchet. Get that till it's nice and tight. We'll then put on the spacer bush, then the wheel, then your washer, and finally, this time using circlip tool, we can just clip that over and on and make sure that it's in the gap. And finally, we're going to put the hubcap on, and we'll do the same on the other side. Now that you have the transporter wheels assembled, to get the machine onto the transporter wheels, you want to get the mower nicely lined up, and then you need to get the handles very low. So get it down, get it into place, and then lift it up. It may just click into place as the transporter wheels sit between the sole plate and the rear roller, but once you have it on, you can move freely without the rollers being on the floor.